Today we are going to see Microsoft Surface Laptop 4 specification and some of its features. Except for the Surface Duo, which runs on Android, Microsoft Surface is a line of touchscreen-based personal computers and interactive whiteboards created and built by Microsoft. They run the Microsoft Windows operating system. The devices are supposed to be premium devices that set examples for Windows OEMs and are manufactured by original equipment manufacturers, such as Pegatron. It includes 7 generations of hybrid tablets, 2-in-1 detachable notebooks, a convertible desktop all-in-one, an interactive whiteboard, and a variety of peripherals, all of which have distinct form factors. The Surface series, for the most part, is powered by Intel processors and runs on Microsoft's Windows 10 operating system. The best lever laptop from Microsoft. Get a hands look at the new Surface Laptop 4. While the Surface Laptop's trademark streamlined form factor has been kept, considerable enhancements have been made beneath the hood to improve overall performance, battery life, and device experience. The physical proportions of a standard laptop and a Surface Laptop are the most visible difference. The Surface Laptop is a standard laptop with a keyboard and a screen. The Surface Pro is a detachable laptop that functions more like a tablet than a laptop. The Surface Laptop's display is slightly larger and less sharp. Continue reading to learn more about the latest Microsoft Surface Notebook 4 and its specification. Some plus points of Microsoft Surface Laptop 4. To buy and check more about Microsoft Surface Laptop 4, just check out the link in the description. That's it for today. For more tech and affiliate update, please like, share and subscribe the channel.